Morning, dear students, how are you? I think you are fine. This is Mr. Naresh Kumar calling from online classes of Balsadna Senior Secondary School, Todi, Guddhagorji. At present, the whole world is facing an unwanted situation in the form of an epidemic. A large number of people are suffering from the same disease, that is COVID 19. We should follow government's guidance against COVID 19. So stay home, stay safe. Today I am going to start your chemistry syllabus. So without wasting of time, let's begin your syllabus. First of all, we discuss about your chemistry paper scheme. There are one theoretical and one practical exam will be held. Theoretical paper will be 56 marks and practical is 30 marks. There will be 14 marks in your sessional work. In your sessional work, there will be 14 marks in your sessional works. In your sessional works, discipline and half yearly performance added here. There are 17 chapters in your chemistry syllabus. Now I am going to tell you each marks of chemistry chapters. Chapter first is solid state. It will be 3 marks. Chapter second is solution. It have also 3 marks. Chapter third, electrochemistry. It have 4 marks. Chapter 4, which have one major question in your board examination, chemical kinetics. It have also 4 marks. Chapter 5 is surface chemistry. It have also 4 marks. Chapter 6, principles and processes of isolation of elements. It have 2 marks. Chapter 7, p block elements. It have 4 marks. It have also one major question in your board examination. Chapter 8, d and f block elements. It have 3 marks. Chapter 9 is coordination compound. It have also 3 marks. Chapter 10, halogen derivative. It have also 4 marks. Chapter 11, organic compounds with functional group containing oxygen. Part first, which have 4 marks. It have also one major question in your RBC board examination. Now chapter 12, organic compounds with functional group containing oxygen, part second. It have 3 marks. Very important chapter. Next, chapter 13, organic compounds with functional group containing nitrogen. It have also 3 marks. Chapter 14 is biomolecules. It have also 3 marks. Chapter 15, 16 and 17, these all chapters have similarly 3 marks. Chapter 15, polymer. Chapter 16, stereochemistry. And chapter 17, chemistry in daily life. Chapter 1 to 9, chapter 1 to 9 in inorganic chemistry, and chapter 10 to 17 are in organic chemistry. But there will be very important thing that is here, that is, but there will be only one paper in your board examination. Let's begin your syllabus. Chapter 10, halogen derivatives. It have 4 marks. to question. First of all, I introduce you what is halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives, those compounds which obtained by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms of a hydrocarbon by an equal number of halogen atoms. These are of two types, haloalkane and haloarine. We take some chemical equation RH, ARH, ArCH3. These are reactants. In these reactions, these all of hydrocarbons called hydrocarbons, when removing one hydrogen, they converted into halogen derivatives RH, ARH and ArCH2X. First of all, type first, halogen derivatives, haloalkane or alkyl halide. So first of all, what is haloalkane? Very important. When one or more H atoms are replaced from a saturated or aliphatic hydrocarbons by an equal number of halogen atoms, the compounds obtained is known as haloalkane. Here we take some chemical reactions RH, RCH3, RCH2, CH2H. These all type of compounds is called saturated hydrocarbons or aliphatic hydrocarbons. After removing one or more hydrogen, they converted into haloalkane. For example, RH converted into RX, RCH3 converted into RCH2X, RCH2CH2H converted into RCH2CH2X. All these compounds are known as haloalkanes or alkyl halides. Now next, the general formula of haloalkane is CnH2n plus 1X. We know that we have been reading in class 11th. Alkanes, the general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. Here, after removing of one hydrogen from alkane, monovalent alkyl group is obtained, which is known as alkyl group. So, general formula of haloalkane is CnH2n plus 1X, where X is halogen atom such as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and small n is a integer 1, 2, 3, etc. For examples, CH3Cl, it is a haloalkane, methyl chloride. CH3CH2Br, it is ethyl bromide. It is ethyl bromide, etc. Haloalkanes are represented by RX, where R is alkyl group and X is halogen atom. Haloalkanes are represented by RX, where R is alkyl group and X is halogen atom such as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now we take exercise question. Halothane is used in surgery as an anesthetic. Write its chemical formula. Very important. Very important. I repeat, halothane is used in surgery as an anesthetic. Write its chemical formula. Solution. Chemical formula of halothane is CF3CHClBr. Here, parental compound of this compound is ethane. From ethane, 5 hydrogen are removed by halogen atoms 3 fluorine and 1 chlorine and bromine atoms are attached here. So chemical formula of halothane is CF3CHClBr. Now question second, write the chemical formula of monochlorohalogen derivatives of ethane. I repeat, write the chemical formula of monochlorohalogen derivatives of ethane. This question will be homework. Now next, second type of halogen derivatives compound is haloarine or aryl halide. Aryl halide. Similarly to haloalkane, first of all we discuss about haloarine. What is haloarine? When one or more ash atoms are replaced from a aromatic hydrocarbons by halogen atoms, the compound obtained, which is organic, is known as haloarine. We take a chemical reaction ARH. It is aromatic hydrocarbon. We have been read it in class 11th, chapter 13, hydrocarbons, aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons. So ARH is aromatic hydrocarbons. From removing one hydrogen by halogen atoms, aromatic hydrocarbons are converted into ARH, which is called haloarine. Here benzene, it is benzene, C6H6, C6H6. It is called benzene or arine. After removing one hydrogen atom from benzene, benzene is converted into C6H5X, which is called halobenzene. Examples: here halogen is chlorine, then it is called chlorobenzene. MF of chlorobenzene is C6H5Cl. Now next, other example, halogen atom is bromine, then it is called bromobenzene, and molecular formula of bromobenzene is C6H5Br, etc. Here one thing is very important. In haloalkane and haloarine, what is the hybridization state of carbon which is attached to halogen atom? So we discussed about hybridization state of carbon in haloalkane and haloarine. In haloalkanes, halogen atom attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group, while in haloarines, halogen atom attached to sp2 hybridized C atom of aryl group. From above structure, halogen is attached from this carbon in haloalkane. This carbon have 4 sigma bond, mean 4 hybridized orbitals. It means this carbon will be sp3 hybridization state. In other hand, in haloarine, this carbon is attached to halogen atom which have 3 sigma bond. It means 3 hybridized orbitals. Then it is sp2 hybridization state. So we can say in haloalkanes, halogen atoms attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and in haloarines, halogen atom attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Now for homework, very important question. Write 2 differences between haloalkane and haloarines. I hope you liked this video. Do share this video in your friend circle. Please, for any query, comments in comment box. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.